With the West Plus series of controllers, we have an operation mode, configuration mode, setup mode and information mode. The information mode or info mode gives us the serial number of the controller, the date of manufacture, and also it tells us which option boards have been fitted and recognised by the controller. To get to the info mode from the operation mode, just press the up arrow until you get to info on the top and select on the bottom. Then press the scroll. This tells us that the input it will accept universal inputs, it's standard input signals. In option slot 1 we've got a linear board fitted. In this controller, option slot 2 there's nothing fitted. And in option slot 3 we've got a relay board. In option slot A we've got a digital input. This is the firmware version, the issue number. This is the product revision level, date of manufacture, in this case month 8 August 2024, serial number 1502950200001, and then we're back to the start of the menu again. To come out of the menu, just press the up and the scroll key together.